So I'm here in Brian's studio, workshop, and I wanted to share something with you, and it's this. Now this, what would you say this is? I remember the first time I saw this in Brian's truck. It was hanging from like the windshield wiper or blinker. What would you call that thing? Stick.
Yeah.
Lever. And I said, what's that? Is that a magic wand, wizard's wand?
It kind of can be.
Yeah.
What throws you off is it's got a wooden shaft, I guess you call it, bound with leather, buffalo hide, bottom part wrapped. That is a piece of ash. Like this is a piece of ash. It's a sucker. That one's a little bigger. What's neat about it is we did a video on burning out the pith for a pipe stem. Usually the pith on these suckers are somewhere in the 1/8 inch range and they make nice pipe stems, but sometimes they're a bit more.
Yeah, this one's really big.
Like 1/4 inch. And for that, actually, let me see the, you haven't done the reveal yet. So you can actually just push something down through that. You don't need to eat it up or nothing. And this was the case with this because I do some chainsaw work once in a while. If you're out in the woods and your saw gets in the dirt and it gets dull, it's kind of a pain, to come all the way back to the shop to sharpen your saw. So I made a scabbard for my file.
Chainsaw file.
Yeah. So heck, you can carry it with you handy if you're far away from your shop. But yeah, that's what that is.
To me, this is quintessentially Brian. You can't have something more simple or utilitarian than a chainsaw file. And yet Brian has the most beautiful chainsaw file in existence.
Well, it's all just sticks. Mother Nature did the beauty stuff. It's I like the handle part because it's got a couple like almost burls on it.
Yeah.
Makes it
fits right into your hand.
Makes it a little unique.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah.